If you have a child interested in the weather, stop by Luther Family Ford or visit valleynewslive.com. Sign up to be a Luther Family Ford weather kid, usually seen here on Thursday evenings. Let's take a look, though, what we have going on for tonight. A wind chill advisory posted Fargo through Detroit Lakes and Lakes Country all the way to the international border. Northeast North Dakota also in that category. Over the next day and a half to 3 days, really, all of us will feel the cold. 9 degrees right now, falling from our high of 10 in the FM area. It feels like 3 below us, so right now manageable wind chills with a northwest wind at only 8 miles per hour. Elsewhere around the region, the cold spot for you in Langdon at 4 below this hour. Jamestown is at 11. And we have temperatures close to 10 degrees through much of Lakes Country as we head into our evening. Single-digit readings, though, in northwest Minnesota. Factor in the wind, and you can see up north, things are between 10 and 25 below already. And tonight, that cold air mass that we've been talking about up to the north is going to slide southward. You can see on the satellite here, the clear skies up to the north as that high moves south. We do have snow in eastern Montana and also down to the south. Along the South Dakota border, a few flakes falling out there, pretty insignificant as far as snowfall totals there go. But the big storm system that impacted California's weather yesterday is heading off through the Rocky Mountains and will bring a chance of snow tomorrow to our region. But for us, your hour-by-hour forecast shows clear skies, air temperatures by 10 o'clock between 5 and 10 below zero for most. And that north wind will be strong enough to drive wind chills down into the 20s below for some. 30 to 40 below to start your day. Here comes the storm system out of the Rocky Mountains, and it will pass right through South Dakota. So there will be a chance of a few flakes in our southernmost counties along the border. If you're traveling south tomorrow towards Sioux Falls, winter storm warnings are in place there. Several inches of snow possible with wind. For us, we get the wind and cold. We start out in the teens below for many of us with wind chills near 30 below. And then as we go through the midday hours, we warm up, but only to below zero readings for almost everyone. Now, as we go through the evening, you'll be able to see the cold air start sliding southward once again. And it looks like a brutal start to our weekend on Saturday morning. So if 11 below isn't brutal enough with those north winds between 10 and 20 miles per hour, we'll see some sun in our northern counties, even here in Fargo at times, but we stay sub-zero throughout the afternoon, peaking at 5 below, with temperatures dropping quickly tomorrow night, once again with the exit of the snow system in South Dakota to the south. Afternoon temperatures on the bus ride home in Langdon, it looks like no fun. A 12-degree reading there, 9 below in Roseau. Many along Interstate 94 will be below zero, but down to the south of I-94, a chance for 0 or just above. Some beautiful frosty pictures uploaded by you viewers out there. We had many to choose from tonight. This one here, a beautiful shot of the Stavanger area in the frost. A beautiful shot, Steve. Thanks for taking the time to upload it. Now, taking a look at our forecast, the coldest of the air arrives a Saturday morning, near 20 below in Fargo. Some could be near 30 below in the far north, and we stay sub-zero again all day. Then as we go into Sunday, we start out mighty chilly, but a chance to start warming up with south winds, a chance of snow into Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and it does look like it will accumulate a few inches. It doesn't look like a huge storm. Temperatures hovering in the teens next week. So for now, a brutally cold weekend and a chilly next week.
But still, teens, better than below zero.
That's exactly right.
There you go. Thanks.
You bet.